What's up, mechanics? Welcome back to Tool Tuesday. Today is Piper's Pick.
It is, so stay tuned at the end of the episode so we can pick for Piper or Piper.
Even though it's the second week of the month. I hope everyone had a relaxing July 4th weekend or week.
Or day or everything.
It was Tuesday, right?
Stayed safe, it was Tuesday.
Apparently it was the hottest day on Earth in history.
It was warm, an average temperature I think it was like 64 degrees around the globe.
I felt it. It was hot as shit.
I had my ass in a spring. I was enjoying the day with my red, white, and blue twisted tees.
There was no monkeys?
I was enjoying it. There were no monkeys. There were no monkeys. I stayed near any of you Floridians, if you know Homosassa. Monkey Island, the Florida Cracker Resort. Pretty fun. Pretty fun time. Nice on the spring. Go scalloping, then you go into the spring, a little fresh saltwater action.
Would have been better with monkeys.
Would have been better with the monkey, but they were on vacation for the renovation of their island.
What kind of monkeys were they?
They were big ass monkeys. I thought it was gonna be little ones, and then I saw them like in the restaurant. They had the pictures. These were some fucking like 4-foot monkeys. They were huge.
Yeah.
There's no reason they can't just get out and swim to wherever you're at. Like they're right there.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know how they put them on that island, and they're just like, okay, you're gonna stay there.
Apparently
that they would swim away.
There's like a story of it. Apparently they were like. They were rescued from like a testing center where they were testing like makeup product stuff on them. They rescued them there. I guess they're happy and they get fed there, so they're cool. They got AC.
They got AC?
They got a little AC hut.
I'm about to go.
It's pretty cool. There's like 6 of them.
Okay, we got some questions. And we're doing cross-platforming now because there's not that many questions on our YouTube videos. So these are some questions from Instagram, some questions from YouTube, whatever. Someone asked if we have a store that you can visit. No. I mean, we have our website, but there's no physical VIM store.
No.
The tool trucks, every tool truck is
a VIM store.
Is a store where they can carry VIM.
And if they aren't, they could be.
And if they aren't, tell them to, because they have access to order all that stuff. Every dealer, every flagship, independents, they all have access to VIM products. They can carry it if they want.
They could buy it.
And if they don't have it, if you ask for it, they can order it for you.
Yes, they can.
Okay, do you make a master set with Allen, Torx, and triple square? And I chose this one because I think that's a good idea.
Allen, Torx, and triple square. What if I told you we're working on a set that would potentially be a power shank set, like our PDM, PDIP, and PDTX 100? That includes Allen, metric standard, Torx, and triple square, all in the same kit for power drive. Would that be something you're interested in? Because we're working on it, but we don't know if we're going to choose the triple square to be in the set yet. But that'll be coming soon, so let us know what you think. Do you want the triple square in there, or you go with just Torx, Allen, and both Allens?
I feel like Torx and triple square makes sense because it's cool. Like Europe.
So what do you think? You think triple square should be a part of that set? Obviously he does. What did everyone else think? Yep. Another question we had was on, I believe, the V232s that were on our Instagram recently, because this is our V232. You guys have seen them before, or at least you think you have. But most of you are comparing it to the BCT1, which the jaws are a little bit different, as you can see. These are more of a pointy jaw, while these are curved. The reason for this is that the BCT1 is actually for button clip tools on evap lines. Boom. That is what this is for. And the reason they're curved is so you don't damage these clips and break them, because those people use picks and they break them because they're hard to compress and they pretty much destroy the clip and have to replace the clip. Where with this, you take it out easily. You don't have to replace it because the jaws won't damage it. Now, the V232, right? V232, it's a very similar concept, but the jaws are a little bit different, as you can see, pointy. And those are actually for body clips, just like this. You go, put it on, having trouble with the depth perception, yeah, pull that out, that's out, and then you can even pry under the bottom one, pull that out once you're done. So, V232 is body clips. BCT1 is button clips. Body clip, button clip, body clip, button clip.
I'm sure you guys could find a million other uses for those.
I'm sure you could, but that is the intended use, plus whatever it is you formulate.
And if you have one and you have found other uses for it,
comment it.
Yeah, or take a picture, send it to us, or a video. Maybe we'll share it. Let's see. How does the warranty work for the Canada region? Works the same. Depending on where you bought it from.
Yeah, that's
you warranty the product through your distributor. If you bought it through Amazon, you go to your Amazon distributor. If you bought it on a tool truck, you go to your dealer. If you bought it in a store, you go back to that store. We are like the last line of defense. If they won't warranty it for you, you can always come to us. If you bought it directly from us, obviously we'll warranty it directly for you if you bought it on our website. But yeah, the warranty's the same all around the world.
Correct. Whoever you bought it from can warranty it.
Yeah. Okay, this one, somebody just commented on a post that we just posted. Been looking at the the Coke and Wobble Plus for a while. Why should I buy these instead? Talking about our extension set. The Wobble Plus design, we call it two-step wobble, is pretty much the same throughout the whole industry.
Yeah, Snap-on, all of it's the same concept. It works the same way.
So there's nothing different about our Wobble Plus two-step wobble. But the set, and this is a pretty good segue into this. So this is the MEK 600. This is our 3/8 master extension set. You have 2 all the way up to 10 inches, but it includes a couple things that make this different. So these are our dual swivel extensions, which is a patent of ours. This is something that only we have, and if you see other brands with it, we probably make it for them. And if we don't, that's patent infringement. But here is the dual swivel extension. The top, the head part is spring-loaded, so it always keeps tension. It's also locking. So you can get into those tight areas that are kind of awkward. It also has a spring-loaded adapter that also always keeps tension and is dual drive. What does this fit on? Is that a 14 millimeter?
That is a 3/8. That should be a 14.
Yeah. So you can put this on a 14 millimeter wrench.
It's a 17. 3/8 to 17.
Sorry. You can put it on a 17 millimeter wrench or on a 3/8 ratchet.
Get some tight access if you need it.
Those two pieces are what are different about this set than other extension sets that also have the Wobble Plus.
This comes with the Wobble Plus set too. I mean, it's not the most unique thing, but it is a slide locking collar. You have a locking straight extension as well.
Yeah, but other than that, these are just very high quality extensions that come packed.
It's a complete extension
in a nice
set.
foam.
You really won't need any other extensions.
And they say VIM, so that's why they're better. Here is the 1/4 inch version.
Same thing, pretty much.
Same thing, like all the pieces are the same, just in a 1/4 inch. You even have your dual swivel.
Babuja.
This is the MEK 400 and the MEK 600. We have breakdown sets of these.
Yeah, now if you're just a Wobble Plus or two-step Wobble fan and you just want the 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces out of each kit as opposed to the extra that people like, you can always order just the extensions, the regular Wobble Plus extensions, which are WEX 400 and WEX 600. The 4 is obviously 1/4 and the 6 is 3/8.
Yes. Yeah, like you said, it's just the Wobble Plus pieces. It doesn't have this locking, it doesn't have the dual swivel, and it doesn't have this adapter. So if you don't need all that, you can buy the breakdown set.
That being said, good segue into that is these guys. The reason we're talking about these items, because we have talked about them before, is because recently, I don't know what's kicked it, maybe restock notifications, but the sales of them have just been kicking up and up and up and up and up. And so we wanted to show you guys a little bit of what they're about so you can get in on that too. Now this is what Michael just showed you in the extension sets, the Firm Flex adapters here. We have the 1/4, the 3/8, and the 1/2 inch here. They're all dual drive and they're all spring loaded. So you can get into a tight access spot because you can put it on a ratcheting wrench or a box wrench. Then you still get almost 90 degrees of swivel. Plus, they're spring loaded. Now this guy right here is the 1/2 inch and it fits with a 21 millimeter. And as you can see, each one has their sizes with what wrench they will fit into. The 1/4 inch is obviously the most popular. 3/8 is pretty popular as well though. And the 1/2 inch, we didn't have it in any other version, but people asked for it. So, hence the FFA 100 Firm Flex Adapter Kit from VIM Tools. Available now and now recently, newly in stock. So you have this option. You can go purchase these if this is something that you're into. Boom.
Back in stock.
Back in stock. Another thing that I know you like because you sold out of them a bunch. And we got some limited amount of inventory in, but it's moving very, very quickly. And we have another 2,000 coming, I want to say at the end of this month. They're going to ship out here. And this is what they are, the WSA 100. I'm sure a lot of you know about it. It is the wobble socket adapter. So you have your 1/4, your 3/8, and your 1/2. As you can see, it's a pretty simple tool with the dual ball detents there. Also has that Wobble Plus feature that those extensions had, so you can have it wobble or fixed. Now each one of these fits into a ratcheting wrench or box wrench to make it a super low profile ratchet or breaker bar. A lot of people say this might be a tool that you like but you don't need, but then there's also a lot of people who are saying that's what I thought when I bought it, and then I used it once when I really needed it, and it saved my butt. And the thing is, they're not that expensive. They're a very cost-friendly set, lifetime warranty. And if you're ever in a pinch, you need tight access, this is the set you want.
Well, that's what I was about to say. There was a guy in St. Pete, works at a motorcycle shop, and he posted a picture of that, and he was like, "I bought this because I thought it was cool, and I honestly thought I wasted my money on it until it saved my ass."
Exactly.
It was the only thing that worked. So.
If you have a story in which you bought this and you're like, this is perfect for X application and it saved my butt, let us know, because I want to know what applications this saved you from, it turned a very long job into a not so long job.
And tag us in your videos. We love sharing.
Yeah, if you post them, tag us in those videos, because we'd love to share it so other people can see that, not only on our
Send
YouTube.
you something.
Sure.
An incentive to share.
Yeah.
But that is our spiel for today. We also have Piper's Pick, but is there anything else we wanted to go over?
I do. I want to mention a couple websites updates on the website, if I can borrow a microphone real quick. Thank you. Okay, so we have a couple website updates. The first being, if you guys have not noticed, when you're ordering things, we have a new progress bar that shows you how you can get some free VIM gear.
That is true.
And then the second would be, if you are looking at a product that might be a set, you can scroll down and click on individual parts and also parts breakdown. The parts breakdown will be a PDF, but the individual parts is an actual link to each of the individual items that come in that set. So you guys might find it a little bit easier to search the products you're looking for there. So those are all the updates I have for now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, if you're just at that cusp, bump that order up and get yourself some free VIM gear. But I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to move on to Piper's Pick.
All right, we had 503 entries, so now one of them just has to choose 3 numbers.
Pick. Step on them.
Between that.
0. Pick. Come on. Press a button. Press a button. 0, 2. 0, 2, 6. Number 26. Go boy, buddy. Go boy. Go boy. Say hi.
Just not feeling it today.
I think
No.
What?
Magnetic Personality. That's the winner. His is Cooking with MRSA.
Nice.
Okay, Magnetic Personality, we will reach out to you on Instagram. You are the winner of this month's Piper's Pick. Congratulations.
Look in your inbox for an address.
Yes. And that's it for today. We will see you next week. Thanks for tuning in.
Piper Pick out.
Peace.